Okay, guys, here we go. This is the random, the 24 winners. Grand prize is the Tom Brady Revolution Speed Chrome Authentic Helmet. Good luck. Multi-round giveaway. A new one. Copy the winners. There should be 24 right there, 24 entrants. They are in order of the break number. Tom Brady giveaway. And there we go. It's about 7 o'clock. Cubbies are getting ready to start. So let's do her. We'll find out how many dice, how many rounds here. Roll the dice. 4 is not enough. Do her again. 5 or greater. There we go. 7 rounds. Begin the giveaway. Good luck. Whatever the hell that means. Round 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last round. Spot 1. JV. First place. Congratulations, buddy. Get the verification pulled up. Get the links posted. All right, guys. Thanks, everybody, for getting in. That'll do her.